What the fuck are you doing?
About to drop my diff.
Hey, it's that time, eh?
Yes, sir.
Let's get into it.
Alright, so we got the materials for my diff. Gear oil, brake cleaner, non-chlorinated so we don't die. So yeah, let's start with the axles, I guess. Getting the axles out. So with that, we'll be using the 10.
Oh, the fun.
Fun of broken wrenches.
I swear, every ratchet we have is broke. Like, every ratchet.
Way to breaking.
Honestly. And that's gonna be fun. Face full of fucking dirt.
Yeah.
On the ground over
see
here.
What I mean? I'm always gonna...
Yo, you look sick in that shot, though. We on the hunt for an extension. We on the hunt for an extension. Oh, new upgrade. For, yeah, light quality at nighttime sucks, so we're working on it. Stay tuned, too. We got a video coming on the new daily.
Yes, yes. Since the 400 is gone.
No more black car.
It's gone.
It's done. It's dead so. I like the new car, though, more.
Yeah.
It's nicer. Inspector Gadget over here.
Oh yeah, buddy. It's already starting to.
Jeez Louise. Bro, that's on there tighter than... Can't say it, but you know what I was gonna say. Bro! Yo, what's that thing kids say nowadays? Shing! Woo! I think that's the ratchet breaking.
Nope.
Hey! I think they've probably ever been off.
Definitely not. 600K later.
Almost done, eh?
And 3 more on this side and then the whole other side.
Fuck yeah. Killing it.
Oh, man, it's crack, man. Oh, crack. Not even once. I'm really cracking myself up.
Hey.
That one went off easy.
Maybe you are getting stronger.
Crack a bullet. Go.
Oh, you got.
6 of 12. So, yeah, let's do the other side. And boom, other side done. So that's the axles disconnected. So let's pull them away from the diff. And then I got a couple more bolt mounts to take off. 2 into the subframe, 2 into the subframe. Back under I go.
If worse comes to worse, I need you guys to drive me somewhere, but I'll let you know.
Yeah, eh? Who the fuck you think
I
you
got gas
are?
money.
Yo, nigga ain't got a whip or what?
What?
I said, your side nigga ain't got a whip or
Well, you came and bothered us.
Man. Where's the breaker bar?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's the breaker bar? Where's the breaker bar?
Yeah, the chrome shaft.
It's over there. It's over there.
Caution!
Don't point with your lips.
Caution!
Fucking dumb fuck. I don't know where.
It's on the driver's side of my car.
You're going the wrong way, caution!
Devin, shut the fuck up. I'm like, kick your head.
Yeah.
Why is it all the way over here?
For the vibes.
Vibes.
Yeah.
Hunter? Swear to God.
So it's nighttime now.
Not even joking.
But the diff's out.
Yeah, that was a bitch. Got all the bolts, got everything out, but
The axles and the drive shaft are fucking stiff.
seized the fuck on there.
I mean, that's what you get when your diff stays in for almost 1 million kilometers, 3/4 of a milli. Right next to that fucking pretty ass room.
They just glisten in the camera.
For real. It worked.
It's that brute force.
Fucking bitch. And money shot.
Gross.
Some good stuff.
Is it really? Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna overnight this part, you know, from Japan. We're just gonna flip it upside down and drain it into a pan. Let it drain out overnight.
And then in the morning we'll brake clean the hell out of it.
Tomorrow.
So that's pretty effective, eh?
Yeah. Where's the marshmallow?
I'm honest.
At the church for like the last 10 minutes. So.
Killing it. Almost ready to weld this bitch?
Yeah, I'd say she's good now, at least this half.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, I got the plate in. Got another one ready for the bottom. So yeah, let's just weld her up.
I just put like fucking 4 minutes straight up just welding.
She's a little toasty, baby.
Let that cool down for a sec. That thing's fucking smoking, man. Holy shit. Yeah, you got her hot, man. And it's almost nighttime, but
And there's a welded diff. Now we'll probably blast it with some more brake clean.
seal
Get
her
her all
up.
tip top, nice and pretty clean.
Seal her up, and then
Throw it back in the whip. I'm gonna go do some dirt nasty skids.
Day 3.
fuck. What the hell you got going on over here, man? This bitch icy, man.
Welded the diff, painted it. So yeah, let's install this.
Damn, son, this shit gonna look fire under there, man. I'm excited. Let's get into this.
Alright.
Well, we just got the fucking diff in, and just tightening up some bolts right now. It's not fun, but she's in.
Got the initial bolts in, just gotta do the axle bolts and the subframe bolts on the front of the cover, and then tighten the drivetrain bolts, and she's ready for some skids.
Sick. No, that looks amazing, eh? Looks beautiful.
Just slowly, and then I just gotta get, you know, new struts, new sway bars.
Slowly coming together, bro.
Buddy.
Slowly.
I mean, it's coming together pretty fucking quick, actually.
Yeah, honestly, though. Just pull yours out.
And that's it.
Alright guys, sorry about not filming all day, but for one, it's been windy as hell. And two, we've been fucking moving tires around and fucking switching shit and running around all the goddamn day.
All day, man. All day.
So, we'll give you a breakdown of what's going on. Took some LS rims off for the rear, because we want to see how this diff does. Everything's good to go. We're going to lower the car, test out the diff, give it a little breakdown. And tomorrow, on Wednesday we're gonna go party with this car with some other people. But in the meantime, till then, we want to test it out, make sure it's good, and then we'll give it a real stress test and see how it is. Cut's looking good. We got 2 things left to finish on the Skyline, and that should run, but we haven't even touched that in like 4 days, so yeah, we'll get there. But in the meantime, let's get into this bitch. That welded diff light. Well, the diff works. How you feeling?
Fucking heard all the nuts and bolts rattling in the trunk, yo, and I hit the brakes. I was just like, ooh.
I know you could hear it from here.
All the clink, clink, clank, clink, clink.